Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a presentation on Google Slides. So let's go. First of all, you go on your computer. If you already have Google Slides in your computer, your desktop or laptop, just click on it. If you don't, just go to slides.google.com or open Google Drive and click on the new button, then select Google Slides. When you go there are templates there already that you can use, or you can decide to create an entirely new one. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to start from a new one. So when you click on the plus button, it opens up. Then you can select theme. There are lots of from the themes, there are lots of designs that are there already, or you can as well import your own. If you have a theme already in your computer, you can import it into the system. But you can choose from this variety of themes here. Then add a title slide. Click on the text box on the first slide and type in the title and subtitle on your presentation. This is the text box. Then you can add text. Click on the text boxes to enter your content. You can customize your text by using the options there for font style, font size, color, and alignment. Then when you're done with that, you go up and click on the plus button here to add a new slide. Each time you want to add a new slide, you have to click on the plus button up here. Then you can add images and media by clicking on inserts. Then you can choose image to upload an image from your computer, or select one from web, or if you have anyone in your Google Drive. You can also add shapes. You can add lines, tables, charts. You can add videos as well. You can add audio files. Like if it's in a situation whereby you want to be, giving an audio presentation while the slide is moving, yes, you can insert an already recorded audio. You can also customize your slides. You can format text, change the font style, change the font size. You can change it to bold, italics, and you can also underline it. You can also change the alignment and indentation, the color, text color. This text box, you can as well, rearrange it and resize it. Yes, you can move it as well by dragging like this. Personalize the design of your slides by changing the background color. If you can use this color to fill up that text box. You can add transitions between the slides. Yes, by when you click on a slide, that you add transition so that before it goes to the next slide, it uses that transition to change into the next slide. Yeah. Then apart from transitions, you can also add animations in between your slides as well. These transitions and animations makes it more lively, gives it more life instead of just sliding like that. Animations and transitions gives it more life. If you want a particular slide twice, you can duplicate it. You have option of copy and paste. Then by the time you're done with your text and your design and everything, you go to files, you can share, you can download, and while you're downloading, you have several options. You can download as PDF, you can download as PowerPoint, you can download as PPT. You have all these options here. That's it. That's the easiest explanation I can give. But if you feel like you're still confused and you want a deeper explanation, or something you want to do that I've not covered under this video, feel free to ask questions in the comment section and I'll reply you. I'll do a video explaining it to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.